Bye! Enjoy! May bago ulit akong babasahin na libro kahit hindi ko pa ito natatapos. At ito ay pinamagatang The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Ang sabi dito sa likod, one of the most inspiring and impactful books ever written. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People has captivated readers for 30 years. It has transformed the lives of presidents and CEOs, educators, and parents. In short, millions of people of all ages and occupations. So maybe if you're looking for a book, hindi ko pa rin naman to nababasa, so hindi ko pa alam. So why not try this one and let's read together. Baka sakaling kung hindi ka pa effective pero kung effective people ka na, huwag ka nang bumili nito. Pag hindi ka pa effective, like ako, 38 years old na ako, hindi pa ako effective. So, I will read this one. Baka sakaling maging effective ako balang araw. Okay? So, kung hindi ka pa effective, bili ka na para effective tayong lahat. Okay? So, let's read together. Bye! Enjoy!